Hello, everyone. This is Ronald Madalington, your number one digital marketing and crypto blog. Please like this video, kindly share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates on digital marketing, making money online, and how to grow your business or trading crypto. So, today I want us to learn how to create Telegram, how to create a Telegram group. How to create a Telegram group. Please kindly note that Telegram group is very important, and the why Telegram group is very important, and the why you need it. You can use it to sell or market your digital product for free without anybody charging you. So you need a Telegram group to where you can, create an online community, like-minded, as a digital uh, creator, content creator. You can use it to sell your product, make it a private group. When people purchase or make payments, they can have access to your course on your Telegram. Kindly note that there are ups and downs with having a Telegram group. One, if you violated the Telegram community rules, Telegram can take down your Telegram group. But you have to go through the rules and you know what it takes. So I want to take us on a step-by-step guide on how to create a Telegram group. Um, Having said that, so let's get started. So the way once you open the Telegram app, click on this menu sign. Next, click. Okay, once you click on the menu sign, next is click on a new group. You can see new group. Click on new group. Click on new group. Once you click on new group, what you do is you have to add someone to be able to create your new group. So what I will do now is I will add one of my second Telegram account. So you can see it. This will enable you to create a group. Without adding someone, you will not be able to create a group. It takes to add one new contact or two for you to create your group. Once that is done, this arrow, you have to click on it to proceed. Now, name your group. Name your group. Name your group. You have to name your group. Input name. Let's say digital learning, digital learning academy, digital skill, digital skills, digital skills learning academy. That's the group name, right? You put a picture. You select something like a logo or picture on it. You can choose to add your personal image or whatever, or your brand logo. Let's go with this particular image. Let's go with this particular image. That will be the group image. Then next click on this group. You have created the group have already been created. So next is this pen icon, which means edit. This is where you edit. This is where you edit your page. I mean, this is where you edit your group settings. This is where you edit your group settings. So we are here now at the editing. So what you will do is you see permission, go to permission, off, send text message, send media, add users, pin messages, change chat info. You off this permission. You have to off these permissions, right? You have to off the permissions. So once you off these settings, once you off them, you are good to go. You are good to go. Remember, it's a private page, right? It's a private page. Keep it private. Reactions. Reactions all. Keep reactions to all. Invite links one, admin one. So this is just this is just the page. Now, so now you can start writing. You can start writing. First and foremost, a welcome message. You can write a welcome message to welcome your students or your followers or whoever they are. A welcome to digital, welcome to digital learning skills academy. Here we are to learn digital marketing skills to empower business owners with the right skills to scale their business online. So here's the first welcome message. So so this is a welcome message. Then we can pin the message right now. You can pin it. You can pin the message. So already we have pinned it. So we can still pin it again. Can still pin it again. So we pin it. Whoever that comes in will now see it. So the next one is you start dropping your video content. You start dropping your video content. For example, let's say you are training people on how to run Facebook ads. So the first one is you drop video on how to create a Facebook page. So you can write lesson one. Lesson one, how to create and optimize a Facebook business page, right? This will help you to organize the your content, and your students will not get confused. So you send the video we the video we go to the group. It will be uploaded. You can see it is being uploaded. It is being uploaded. The video is being uploaded. Network is somehow sluggish. So let's wait for a while. So once it is done, the video will appear. So now let's check something. Let's go. Let's go to my second account, which was added. Second account, which was added. You can see it here. Fine. You see how it appears here. See how it appears. So sending of messages is not permitted. It's not allowed. So this is the group. This is the welcome message, right? So and the pin message. So we have two messages here. So this is the chat where we can talk, and I will set the permission. Messages are not allowed. So you can send this in two ways: either to allow them chat with you, or you can send them updates or answer questions on this. So this is how to create um, Telegram group to help you market or promote your products, to help you promote your products free of charge instead of paying uh, instead of paying for video hosting. So this is one way one can. The video is still dropping. So once it's dropped, on it will appear on the group, and your people will have it. So this is just it, and this video can help you to create um, Telegram community where you can sell your digital product this year 2025. So start making money online. That idea you have, what is holding you back? What is keeping you from, you know, from turning it into a digital product and start marketing it online? Remember, digital product is scaling up, and people are using it to live uh, life very comfortably. So do something about your financial freedom today, and see you on the next video.